In this video, I'm going to show you how to 30x your sales with a simple AI email sequence. Now, what's cool about this is it's going to work for local businesses, agencies promoting a variety of local businesses, or even affiliate marketers. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I want to show you the simple AI email sequence that I've used to generate tens of thousands of dollars in commissions on affiliate programs, as well as make tens of thousands of dollars selling my own products and services. So we'll get into it right here. So regardless of what you sell, this is what most people do when they try to make money online, and this is what they do wrong. They go and they post to social media. That's what this box here represents. They go and they post to social media and they send traffic to their link, whether this is their affiliate link or the link to their local business. And the problem with this method is people end up seeing this offer and then they bounce. They take a look at this and then they leave the page, which means most of the traffic is lost. Every once in a while, somebody might come down here and make a sale, but for the most part, this traffic is going to bounce, and it leaves people confused as to how they're spending so much time creating social media content, but not really getting the sales they want to. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm not only going to show you how to set this up yourself, but how to have this all done for you for about the same cost of doing it yourself. So here is a much better method without wasting any time at all. This is the method I use, which can 30x your chance of making a sale in a really simple way. And the way it works is we do the same thing. We create social media content, and that's really all we have to do, because after that, we send the traffic to what's known as an opt-in page. This is a simple page where somebody can enter their email address to get more information. And once they do that, we can send out a series of AI generated emails to them on a daily basis, which send them back to the link that makes us money. So again, this can be an affiliate link, this can be the link to your local business, this can be the link to book an appointment with you if you are someone who does sales calls like on the phone or on Zoom. It doesn't matter what this link is, but what's important is that we are 30 Xing the chance of making a sale, because we're putting this link in front of somebody now 30 times instead of here. What most people do is they just go to social media, they post this link, or they send it to somebody in the DMs, and then again, people bounce, and once they leave that page, they are gone forever. Whereas with this system here, it's a really simple system. It just takes one page that pretty much anyone can set up in about 15 minutes, and then again we can use AI to write these emails. So I want to show you how simple that is here. I don't even have a good prompt in here. I'm literally just telling this, write me a series of 30 direct marketing sales emails that promote my local landscaping business called Frank's Landscaping and encourage users to book a free consultation. So I'll go ahead and let ChatGPT do that, and right away it's writing me a series of emails. And you can see right here it says ready to take the first step, book your free consultation. So all we have to do is paste in a link, and now this is ready to go. We can just put this into the email responder, and it's just off. It's already written 9 of them, so it's going to have 30 of them ready to go in just a few minutes. So it's that easy. We use AI to generate these emails. We go paste them into an autoresponder, and now suddenly people are seeing the link that makes us money 30 times instead of one time. So if you want to do this yourself, I will leave the tool that I use to do this down below, and you can actually get a 14-day free trial using the link below this video, and you can go set all of this up for yourself and use it for free for 14 days. Now, if you want me to do this all for you, I'll leave another link below in the description. This is profitpassively.com/AI emails. And if you go to this link, basically what I'll do, and this is limited to only 5 people a month because there's only so much work I can do, but if you're one of the first 5 people to take me up on this offer, I will set this entire thing up for you, whether you are a local business or you're promoting an affiliate link. Basically, all you need is whatever link you want to promote, your affiliate link or your sales page or your appointment booking page. And what I'll do is I'll set up a opt-in page for you on a catchy domain name. So I'll just go ahead and register a catchy domain name that's easy to remember, that's easy for you to promote on social media. I'll set up the opt-in page that collects people's emails. I'll go ahead and set up the 30-day automated email sequence for you using AI, and then of course I'll fine tune it. Once the AI generates the content, I'll fine tune it myself so that it sounds human and, helps you promote whatever it is you're trying to sell. And then I'll set up the entire funnel for you so that everything is working, and you will get 24/7 email automation, which means any time of the day or night somebody goes to that page and they opt in, then they will start getting the emails and they will continue getting those emails. So, along with that, you'll get unlimited contacts. So, it doesn't matter how many people come and sign up for your offer, they will all be getting 30 emails, one a day for the next month, and it is 100% managed for you. So, other than that, there's some frequently asked questions that people have about this. How does it work? It's really simple. Just submit your payments, reserve your spot. Like I said, this is only for 5 people a month. And then just send me your affiliate link, your sales page, or your appointment booking page, and I'll get to work building your 30-day AI email funnel. And it'll be ready for you in 7 days. So, that's the next question people ask. How long will this take? It'll take 1 week. Turnaround for AI funnel builds is 7 days. There's a chance it will be ready sooner than that, depending on how busy I am, but I want to do the best job I can, so I just ask that you don't rush me. People also want to know, can I choose my own domain name? Yes, you can, but you don't have to if you don't want to put a lot of thought into it. I have a ton of experience doing this, and it might even be better for me to just pick one of these for you, but either way, just let me know when you send me the link to whatever it is you're promoting if there's a specific domain name you want me to set this up on. So, can I make changes after it's set up is another question I get. And once this is set up, it runs on complete autopilot until you unsubscribe from the service. So the initial setup fee covers the labor costs associated with setting the system up. And then after that, if you want to make changes, I can make changes, but there will be additional charges for me to go back in and edit your funnel. So, are there any additional fees or expenses? No, your subscription to this service covers everything involved with automating your email marketing, including the domain name and the hosting and messaging fees. Everything's included. So, literally, all you have to do is click the button to let me know you want this, send me the link you want promoted, and then that's it. The whole rest of the system will run on autopilot and sell your products for you. So, the last question, what if this doesn't work? Well, that's not possible because in 7 days this will be set up, and it's going to 30x the amount of times people are seeing your link with the automated emails, and that's just going to continue running on autopilot 24/7 unless, for some reason you decide to stop promoting whatever link it is, or you go back to doing things manually, in which case you can cancel at any time just by clicking a button. So I hope this helps, and if you haven't already, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you can see more content about how to make money online with AI. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. Hope you make a bunch of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.